Today we'll talk about how can you add address book on your Costco app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. When you just click on account here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on address book, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. So it's going to show for you like this. And here if you want to add for shipping or billing here, then you click here on address. So then here add your address here on your Costco app. Like you see here, can you follow this list of your address, and you click here on save address. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.